Okay, I'm going to change the hose on my Bissell SpotClean Pro Heat Pet. You see here the handle is broken, or the end of the hose is broken. This is my new hose. Got it from Amazon, part number 1606127. Start by taking out the reservoirs. Okay, now we're going to remove the brush handle by pushing in the button and pulling it off. Next, flip it over, remove the 3 screws holding the hose plate onto the base of the machine. You may have to use a screwdriver to pop the snap up near the hose. Okay, now remove the plate underneath the cleaning solution. There's 3 screws holding that to the base. Then just pull that plate out. Okay, next remove the 2 screws holding the pump. There's 1 on each side. Okay, next remove the 3 wires, or 4 wires, 3 wires. Green, black, red, or remember where they were connected. Okay, cut that tie strap if you have to. Okay, next we need to pinch the tabs in on that hose clamp, which is the silver ring around the black tube. I'm going to use a pair of needle nose pliers, pinch them together, and pull them back towards the hose. Then try to pull the hose off. If you can't, you can just cut it off for now. Okay, I'm going to use a box cutter to slice off the end of that black hose. And be careful not to break the white plastic tube that's underneath the hose. Okay, pull out the old hose. Remove the old hose from the base plate. Okay, now put the new hose onto the base plate. Just 2 screws. Okay, next remove the plate under the dirty water reservoir. It has 3 screws also. The plate just pulls up. And you can also remove the top now. Okay, put the cleaning solution hose through there. Then attach the base plate to the bottom of the unit. Okay, turn the machine right side up. And have it facing you. Lift up on the top cover. And you can route the hose in front of the motor over towards the pump. Okay, make sure the pump is over the screw holes. Then line up your hose. Give yourself a 1/4 inch of slack and then cut it to fit. Okay, slide the hose clamp over the black hose. And connect the hose to the pump. Make sure it sits all the way at the back of the base. Now pinch the tabs on the hose clamp and slide it toward the back. Okay, reattach your power wires for the pump. They'll just slide right on the tabs. Try not to bend them. Okay, reattach the pump to the base with the 2 screws. Put the cover back over the motor. Reattach the base plate. Okay, everything's back together. Now it's time for the test. and my cleaner is now spraying cleaning solution properly. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.